Hey guys, this is the Khalifa again. Last night a customer brought this car, Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, 2015. She said car was driving and then just died on the road. Everything goes off, engine. She tried to start again. Nothing was coming on, so she told me, brought it over here. And then this morning I hook up. Hang on 1 second. I need to put keys in the ignition. So I hook up my Launch 431, which is I don't know. I paid $1,300. Is the sunlight, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get in the shade. I don't need to be in the car. Why? Because it's too much bright. So this way that will help. Right here. And so let's see. It's all hooked up on the car. This is awesome tool I've been using for a while to break bleeding BMW and all another stuff. But so far I have not had any complaint. There are a bunch of function in this tool. I'm just trying to have a better view so I can have this so you can see when I okay, maybe this is the better one. And here I'm gonna see, click a health report. This is again okay, keys in, switch on, switch on, again switch on, ignition, yes. So it's scanning, and let's see. And that you can see the VIN number 2015. First whatever is the fault is came, engine control module, TCM, and then whatever is not equipped, not fault, and then tire pressure monitoring system. So this is a pretty good tool, honestly. I believe BMW X5 all whole ABS system with this unit wouldn't take me more than 15 minutes. I could have made a video for you. I use another tool, but this tool is got almost everything in there, including tax $1,300. But so I use mostly all European cars. That's what I customer and people bring it to me. Benz, Jaguar, BMW mostly, and whatever else they got it doesn't matter. So let's see. I already scanned early morning, but I didn't make video, but I'm doing again. Then I'll show you what is coming up those errors, and then what do I found it after I seen those errors. So it's almost I guess it's getting 73%, which is right top bar, red one 75, 77. So it's almost getting done. Like I said, this tool can do almost anything, but it won't do anything really minor programming. But you have to use really then BMW, Mercedes tool. If you putting new module, some module they will program, but not everything. But it does a lot. That is the tool I am showing you on this video, which is a Launch X430 Pro. I bought it through Amazon. It's a really beautiful tool. multiple, they got port in there for almost every car. So let's see what we are coming here. And now, so when I was doing this morning, there you go. So here you can see, let me see if this is a better. Okay, so we got engine control module, idle speed too low when engine is warm, and then idle speed had malfunction, combustion misfiring has been detected. There is a signal above the measurement and a misfire of cylinder 1, 3, and that is a 2. So out of 4 cylinder car, so 3 cylinder misfire. Transmission control module, and then you got the feedback on the torque converter is not present, and then tire pressure, and what else is it? Let me see if I scroll it. Audio control module and control unit for telematic service, GPS, left front door, and then you got output for the central locking system. So everything else is all green, which is show you normal and good. So we got most of that is the idle control malfunction, and then we got is the 3 cylinder misfiring. And forget about the transmission. That's not at this point is a relative, because you gotta go whatever start is the die on the road, and then she tried to start it again and didn't do anything, and then she told over here last night 11 p.m. So after I did that, I look at everything what's going on. So I went to the lift up the hood. So lifting up the hood, so I brought it over here, you can see. So I was looking at, took the cover off and trying to follow wherever I can find the problem. I know there was some leak of the fuel, that the fuel line right over here, it was wet, so I didn't see yet, but it was wet over here. When I pull the cover out, I can smell it. So here is the, before even I go further, and what happened, so I said let's go through the idle control. So I took this filter, air filter housing off. You can see I just did a few minutes ago, so you can see now. So when I pull it out, then I saw high performance filter, and nothing is wrong. It's a nice filter, it always have more air storage and better. So then I said, okay, let's see what's going on. Anything wrong with the filter? Okay, here, so a few minutes ago I pull it out, put it back so I can show you. So there is the filter, and when I look at the filter, it's all totally clogged. I mean, look at this one. Are you kidding me? I have never seen a filter high performance is being clogged like this. So this is why I have not even done anything. I just want to make a video. So when I try to put anything, my finger in there, and as you can see, everything is all clogged. I mean everything, and there is no ventilation almost going. Whatever ventilation was going air through this a little bit, and car was running, and then idle got a bad because there is no air. It's totally clogged. Everything is up there. So there you go. That looks like to me maybe save all another work before even I don't know when they have the spark plug change. I will ask her dad, because he is my friend, But I just want to show you all those errors you saw. So there is most likely 99.9%, more than 30-year experience. I'm telling you, this is gonna be I'm just gonna clean it out and make some. The best way you do this filter, first clean it out and then get the bucket, warm, little bit more than warm hot water, put soap in there, and then put this filter inside for leave it a couple hours. It will drain out all whole dust from the filter, and then take warm water, wash it off, dry off, put it in the sun, put it back just like a brand new. So I've been doing, I got a bunch of BMW on my property, my own. Now you can see I'm off so you can see this filter is totally now through the sunlight. I mean, this is just a nasty filter I ever seen it. Every single BMW on my property here, up there they got all these filters. That's what is up there. You see those are 750, 750, 740, X5, and there's a couple up there is a 745, and there's another couple already gone. My son took it. So there you just wanna show little video. So show you after this is get done and car started, everything, and then I let you know the result. But the result for me, that's what is it. Filter, this is totally is clogged, so nothing is going through. Not even one line is any way you can see. I mean, it's all the way thick. So, all right, that's all for now, and I hope this video is a help. And I'll let you know the result after I finish this thing. Thank you. Bye.